In this video, we're going to do a case study on how Inspirit AI exploded their organic web traffic by 427% in just 3 months. Welcome to All-in-One SEO. We make SEO easy with our powerful WordPress SEO plugin. Let's get started. So this is Inspirit AI. They are an online artificial intelligence training program for high school students. What's remarkable about Inspirit AI is they grew their traffic by 427% in 3 months. If you want to read more about Inspirit AI or read this case study instead of watching this video, you can check out the companion case study at AIOSEO.com/trends. And I will drop in a link directly to this case study in the description below this video. So let's take a look at Inspirit AI's traffic. They were founded in 2019. They had 199 visits to their website. In 2020, they had almost 5,000 visits. 2021, they had almost 17,000 visits. In 2022, they had over 34,000 visits. And then in 2023, just between January and September, they had 293,000 visits. Here's a graph that shows their traffic from the beginning of January 2022 until 2023, and you can see there's a huge surge in traffic there in 2023. So what did they do in 2023? That's what we're going to dive into in this case study. So one of the big things Inspirit AI did in 2023 was really ramp up their content production. So in this graph, we can see the total pages on their website. Back in March of 2023, they had 179 total pages. If we fast forward to May, we can see they had 365. In July, they had 371. And by September, they had 469. Now, if we fast forward to July, we can see that 2 of those blogs brought in 46% of the site's total US traffic. So the lesson here is, if you're an expert in your field, keep cranking out content. Keep SEOing that content, because you never know when Google's going to pick a piece of that content and reward you with some tremendous organic traffic. Inspirit AI also created another type of content. We're going to call those university blogs under the format, what is fill in the blank university known for? Between June and September, they created 12 blogs with that format. And in this graph, we can see that 5 of those blogs were responsible for 14% of the site's overall traffic. So not as impressive as the science fair blogs, but still they found something that was working, and it bumped up their organic traffic considerably. So All-in-One SEO can help you increase your content production with its built-in SEMrush integration for finding additional key phrases. And I'll show you how to do that right after we talk about Inspirit AI's second strategy. Another strategy Inspirit AI used is to target long-tail keywords. And here are some long-tail keywords that brought in a considerable amount of traffic for Inspirit AI. Inspirit AI's core product is AI training for high school students, but they went ahead and wrote content about science fairs, about computer science, about what different universities are known for, and ended up introducing people to their product by writing articles around these long-tail keywords. And I'm going to show you how you can target long-tail keywords for your content using All-in-One SEO. Let's head on over to the All Posts section of our website, and I'm going to pull up this post called SEO Conference. If we head on over to the right-hand column here, I'm going to click on this All-in-One SEO button up top. I'm going to click on General, and then I'm going to click on where it says Focus Key Phrase. So I have the focus key phrase set SEO Conference. So if I want to discover some new long tail key phrases or do some keyword research on what else I could target, all I have to do is click the button Get Additional Key Phrases. So All-in-One SEO has a fantastic integration with SEMrush, where you can get keyword suggestions right here within WordPress. You don't have to open another tab. You can do it all from where you're doing your work. Now, if you've never done this before, the first time you click that Get Additional Key Phrases button, you're going to have to link your SEMrush account with your All-in-One SEO account. If you don't have an SEMrush account, you can create one. If you don't know how to do that, don't worry. We have another video on this YouTube channel that shows you step-by-step how to do that, and I will link to that video at the end of this video. So as you can see, we started with the simple SEO key phrase, SEO conference. And SEMrush integrated with all-in-one SEO is suggesting these additional key phrases. Also have SEO conferences 2023 or also 2024. SEO Conference London, which could give you new ideas for SEO Conference Boston, SEO Conference United Kingdom, best SEO conferences. So we can either add these key phrases to our current post, our current piece of content, or we could just save them in a list to use later. So I'm going to go ahead and add SEO Conferences 2024 to this page. It's giving me a 42 out of 100 because I don't have 2024 probably anywhere in the content of this page, but that's how easily you add key phrases to your content. I'm going to close out of this modal. I'm going to go ahead and click the blue update button and save those changes to this piece of content. If you want a quick and easy way to find long-tail keywords, one of the best methods is just to start performing a Google search. So in this example, I'm searching for birthday gifts, and Google itself will give you tons of recommendations. A lot of them are longer tail keywords than the main search you're looking for. So birthday gifts is not really a long tail keyword. It's going to be very broad. It's going to be very hard to rank for. But birthday gifts for her, birthday gifts for girls, birthday gifts for husband. So Google itself will suggest lots of other options, and many of those can be long tail keywords, or they could give you ideas for long tail keywords. And the final strategy that Inspirit AI used to explode their organic traffic is to target the people also ask section in Google. So if we look at this graph, we can see in April and May, they weren't getting much traffic from SERP features. But if we look forward to June and then really in July, August, and September, they started to get a lot more traffic from SERP features. Now, it's worth noting that SEMrush started tracking SERP features in April 2023, so we don't have any data before that point. But we can see that their traffic really took off around July, August, and especially in September. Here's an example from Google's search results of someone searching for science fair projects, and then under the People Also Ask section, we have this question, what are good topics for a science fair? And we can see this is something that Inspirit AI has ranked for. So how did they rank for that People Also Ask section? So the main thing you can do to show up in the People Also Ask section is to ask questions and answer them in an FAQ format and include a custom all-in-one SEO FAQ block in your content. I'll say that again because that was kind of a tongue twister. It's to include a custom all-in-one SEO FAQ block in your content. So you can either start a new page or post, or you can pull up one of your old page or post. I'm going to go ahead and click on the post menu here and pull up an existing post. I'm going to use this post called Test Puppy Post. And then we just click anywhere in the page that we want to put the FAQ block. So I'm going to put it after this first paragraph here, and I'm going to add a new block, and I'm actually just going to search for FAQ. And the all-in-one SEO FAQ block comes up because we have the all-in-one SEO plugin installed. I'm going to write my first question, and then I'm going to put in my first answer. And of course, we can add more FAQ blocks after that. And then if we look on the right-hand side, I have these options here. So I could change the text color. I could change the background color. There's options for typography, so I could change the font size. All of these options are great to have and what you would expect in a WordPress block, but they're not the killer feature that makes this FAQ block so special. So I'm going to click the blue update button up top to save this page, and then I'm going to go view my post. And if I scroll down to that FAQ and I look at the page source behind the page, and then I'm going to wrap the text to make this a little easier to view, and I'm going to search for one of my FAQs. Then if I scroll down here past the HTML code for the FAQ block, all of this other code here, this one big giant block, this is schema code that is being automatically generated by All-in-One SEO. This will help you to score a rich snippet for FAQs in the Google search results, and it can also help you to get into the People Also Ask section. The top 3 strategies that Inspirit AI used that you can emulate is number 1, they created a ton of new content. Number 2, they targeted long-tail keywords and then won a lot of top search positions for those long-tail keywords. And number 3, they optimized for the People Also Ask section to take up more real estate in the search results. And then on the flip side, there were also some things that they did wrong. Number 1, not setting up 404 redirects. We encountered some 404 errors on their site. Number 2, not using schema markup. Despite winning some People Also Ask results, Inspirit AI does not use schema markup. And number 3, easy metadata wins. We noticed some of their descriptions were too long and getting truncated by Google. All-in-One SEO can help you emulate the top 3 strategies that Inspirit AI used, as well as work on the bottom 3 they may need to reconsider, and so much more. So that's what Inspirit AI did to dramatically increase their organic traffic. If you don't already have our awesome All-in-One SEO plugin installed, we've got a link to it in the description below this video. It can help you out with the task in this video, as well as many other SEO jobs that you might have to do on your WordPress website. If you click on this next video right here, I'll show you how to get long-tail keyword suggestions right from within WordPress. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to use our easy and powerful WordPress SEO plugin, All-in-One SEO.